In this video, I'm going to show you all the different styles of car roof linings that come out on a Ford Territory. So over here, we've got the front sunglasses console with the map lights, courtesy lights underneath the front sun visors. Then if you come to the middle section, you've got a dual map lights. Let us know if you have got an aftermarket DVD player installed, like a roof DVD player. They can also come out with a aftermarket cargo cage barrier as well. There'll be evidence of that one, so just let us know if you have got that. Then this board over here has the front dual map lights, just a tiny dual map lights, and then in the middle section you'll have that larger dual map lights. Once again, this one has got evidence of a cargo cage barrier being installed. All Territories have those 4 middle plugs, like the 2 middle plugs at the middle and then 2 at the back, so 4 little plugs on the board. And also on the later model Ford Territories, the ones that came out in the FG era, they have slightly different sunglasses case, which means it's a slightly different board. So now I'll show you all the different styles of fabrics. So when a Ford Territory comes through for a car roof lining repair, there's usually 2 selections of material that we use that we replace the headlining with to match up to the original factory material and all the plastics left behind. So all the earlier models, we usually use a number 7 cappuccino light grey flat knit, which can give off that beige appearance inside the car. And now if you've got a later model Ford Territory, the ones that are around about the 2014 or give or take a few years, they're also the same cars that came out with a diesel as well. They have the number 6 light oyster flat knit, so the same material as a Ford Falcon FG. It gives off that tan appearance inside the car. Also, if you're looking for the glue for a do-it-yourself project, we also have that available as well on our eBay page. The glue brand will be called Tensagrip T65. And that's it, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. We'll see you on the next one. See ya.